Hey everyone, I'm Amanda. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. If you're new, welcome to the circus we call the MMD Home Renovation family. Today, we're showing off one of the coolest Halloween decorations for 2025. It's the brand new 15-foot Scarecrow from the Home Depot. Yes, you heard me, 15 feet. This thing could play in the NBA. Now, don't panic, this isn't a step-by-step how-to. Honestly, the instruction booklet looks like something from IKEA's nightmare drawer. But here's the good news, it's way easier than it looks, even if you're tackling it solo. I'd love to tell you I managed to build this whole monster while juggling 3 kids, 13 dogs, and 9 cats all by myself. But let's be real. My dad? Yes, the 65-year-old MVP of this property handled it solo. The rest of us? Not so much. We mostly supervised and added to the chaos. We started late in the day, and I suggested waiting until tomorrow. But my dad, in classic dad fashion, insisted he could finish before dark. Spoiler alert, he couldn't. Darkness won that round. Fast forward to the next morning, coffee in hand, we started again. That's when Dad realized he'd missed a step. Pro tip, the parts are labeled A through Z. If you can follow the alphabet, you can assemble this Scarecrow instructions. Optional. And I mean that, it's that easy. As you can see, we were nearing the finish line. The manual says it takes 3 people to lift this beast. Safer, sure, easier. Absolutely. But Dad was determined to prove otherwise. With 2 ladders, some creative problem solving, and maybe just a sprinkle of stubbornness, he raised it all by himself. Don't try this at home, unless you've got a dad like mine. Once the arms closed and giant pumpkin head were attached, this 15-foot monster finally stood tall, looming over our main entrance like it owned the place. And that's it. The Home Depot 15-foot Scarecrow assembled, raised, and ready to scare trick-or-treaters for the next month. If you enjoyed this little Halloween adventure, hit like, share it with your spooky season crew, and don't forget to subscribe. And of course, drop us a comment, let us know if you dare to build one of these yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy haunting.